We've made several exciting improvements to the floating drawing tabs capability in AutoCAD 2023. Now, when you resize a floating window, after you dock it back and pull it back out again, AutoCAD will remember the previous size you changed the window to. In addition, now the command line will dock at the bottom of the currently active floating window, and the command line will move with you as you switch between floating or docked windows. Further, you can now pin a window so it remains on top even when it is not the currently active window. And finally, you can simply drag a floating window to dock it back to the File tab, or right-click on the floating window for an option that allows you to quickly snap the window back to the File tab.